unboxing Real Littles Shopkin mini brands, or like that. You can dunk, swish, and melt in the water, which makes them 10 times more fun than the regular one. So the regular one, I've done in a different video, and it was really fun to do, because it also came with this too, but only half of it and not with water fun. Anyways, this is really cool. I found this at Hobby Lobby for $6. Eek, a little bit too expensive. So there's this thing on Facebook, which you can download the picture thing. It's a Hobby Lobby coupon, 40% off. And I got this for a much cheaper price. Anyway, it's dunk, swish, and melt, which is so fun. So I chose the purple one. You could also get the blue one and pink. I think they all have the same ones, but I love the color purple, especially lavender. So let's get started. You can put it in the water, swoosh it around like it says in the back. It should start to be, the cardboard is thin, and it should start to be soggy by now. You can swish it around, round and round and round. As you can see, it's getting a little bit ugly, but I'm sure the result will be so much worth it. And also, do you like my bowl? It's really fun. It reminds me of a party for some reason, like fruit punch. Turn that around. Even the sticker is getting a bit soggy. Anyway, I was going to mention it while I do it, so I save some time. So it comes with 2 Shopkins and 2 other boxes with them. So, for example, if we get a popsicle Shopkin, there's going to be a popsicle box in it. So they have to, so like, if we had a popsicle box, we would probably have an ice cream scoop Shopkin with a Breyers ice cream thing tub. Looks like we'll need to go through some more. Just a bit. I wonder where the cardboard went. Okay, so now I guess it's time to unbox it, because there's like a clear layer here. There ain't any more cardboard. So I'm just gonna open this with my hand. I don't have scissors right now. So we don't need the bowl anymore, thankfully. And the clear plastic thing helps it protect it. Anyway, look how ugly it got. Like, eek. I can't wait to see what we get. We have to get the plastic off. I don't have any scissors, so that's going to be a bit hard. Okay, so there's another plastic layer. So first thing, we have mega bowls. Wait, Mom. Why did you do that? Now we have scissors. Sorry for the cut, but anyway, what's in here? You must open it with scissors. Be careful when using scissors. Scissors don't work that good. It's going all over the place. Anyway, let's try to get this out. It's hard, so it ain't actually a box, or else it would have gotten soggy. But it's like a plastic box, actually. So my mom's gonna help me get that open. Anyway, what is this? It looks like cake. Can you see cake? That is so cool. And they got a little wet. So, this is what we've got. Mega bowls. It's like a meal. White meat chicken. You can't really see it that well, but it says white meat chicken flavor. It's mega bowls. I don't know that. I never tried it before. Maybe it's really yummy. Here's a collector's guide. Things we can collect. Here's where is it? I think it was somewhere up here. Mega bowls. Can't see the Shopkin. Anyway, let's see what we got. Another plastic. Wow, I'm not impressed. Plastic after plastic after plastic. I'm gonna go get my scissors, which are wet. Yeah, they are wet. Let's see what we got. Mega bowls. And it was a mini bowl, not a mega bowl. Get it? So here's our little Shopkin. Let's try to find her on the collector's guide. Freddy Fried Chicken is what we got. I thought this was cereal, but yeah, it's chicken. Really good. And yummy. And you can put the lid back on, reuse it for anything we want, and you don't have to put this for Barbie accessories. You can probably put like earrings or something for traveling. I don't know, but you can do anything that you want with it. Next we have cake, which is in the frozen pies. Frozen meals was here. So let's see what's inside. Another plastic bag. Have to open it up. Let's see what we get. So we can either get sweetie pie or choco pie. Choco pie. It's really cool. Now we can open up the bag with our scissors. Next time I better get even more sharp scissors. You should not cut yourself. So we got choco pie. I was really wanting to get the both of them. Like I couldn't make my mind. But I think chocolate pie really brings out the color in it, and it really makes sense. Like, oh my gosh, that is so cool. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. So we got a meal and a dessert. You could also collect slushies, mini meals, breakfast. These are really frozen over here. And the next side, popsicles, ice cream snacks, ice cream tubs. Really cool and fun. I recommend getting you it, and it's 8 out of 10. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you guys in my next video.